So I got this Lexus with some lights on the dashboard, and I'm about to scan it. So the light, this check VSC system, and you can see the airbag light is on. So I'm about to scan it to see what's going on. So running the scan now, look at what I'm finding here. Finding the code, U0126 lost communication with steering angle sensor. So try clearing the fault code, it's still coming back. So did a little research, and I discovered that the steering angle sensor is right between here, and the owner of this car just recently changed his script due to the accident he just had. So I don't know if they actually put the right ribbon, steering ribbon there. So I'm going to loosen it up and check. Yeah, so I've taken out this airbag. I'm about to take out the steering. So this is what I discovered. My client complained about this cruise control not working. So he had taken it somewhere to actually fix this fault. So I saw that they left this guy unplugged, and I do not know if they actually did change this, because I was finding it difficult to take out the steering. Yeah, I was finding it difficult. So what I'm going to do is I'll take out this airbag. I've already taken out the battery terminals, so I wouldn't cause any havoc. I'll take out this airbag here. This is the steering airbag. Take it out and try to take out the steering wheel and log in this car VIN online to see if I would find the right part number for this script control, because this car, like I said, that involved in an accident. So I'll take this out now. So I've taken out this steering wheel. Now what I'm discovering here is, although this is not a base point for it, the sunlight is too much for me. Look at the part number on this part number. Yeah, thank you. Look at the part number on this airbag script here, and you can look at the label here too. The two colors are brown. Like I said, I found it difficult to take out this steering wheel, and look at here, blue. I'm looking like the initial person that worked on this didn't actually change this. And look at the parts now. Even if he did, they installed something wrong on this car. And blue label, brown label, brown label doesn't add up. So I think this wasn't changed. This is from another car. Just claim that they changed it or something. So we're going to be replacing this because this is where the steering angle sensor is. So I went to do a little research and check for the car parts number. That's the car parts number. And it turns out that what they claimed they took out from the car wasn't even for the car at all. So this is it here. This is the one that I took out from this car here. This is the part number for this one. And this is the part number for this one here. Where is it? And this is the part number for this one here. I believe this is not for this car. I believe this is not for this car. That's what I want to believe in. And I'm looking at something here. It's coming about steering angle sensor. You can see this is the plastic sensor steering. So I believe they didn't change this, because look at it. So eventually I went to the market and got this used one. So what I did, I didn't buy the airbag ribbon. What I bought was just this steering angle sensor and install it now, because it's attached right here, just here. So I'll be installing it now, and we would see the end result. So the steering is installed now. So I'm going to be installing all the plugs and starting the ignitions, and we'll see how it goes. So this is the time for judgment, and initially it was showing check VSC system here on the dashboard. Right now there's no check VSC, and the red light is on, power steering light is off, and all the lights are gone. So I think that's pretty much a fix for the car. So the car has worked now, and I think that means a problem all along has been this module here. This is the cause for the code. This is the cause for the code here. And thank you guys for watching.